The hooding ceremony is for a graduate student who is graduating with a master's degree or a doctoral degree. In this instance, this hood is for a master's degree and the Master's of Science in Nursing. What's specific about a hood is that the inside of the hood shows the colors of the university. So here at Tusculum University, our colors are orange and black, so that you will see on the inside of the hood. Along the outside of the hood is the color for the degree that the graduate is receiving. In this instance, for the Master of Science in Nursing, nursing is apricot, so you will see that it's trimmed with apricot. At graduation, graduates will be in different gowns. For baccalaureate degrees, the sleeves tend to be all straight across. For a master's degree student or a graduate student, but particularly master's students, they actually have a little bit of a different sleeve, and this is what portrays the difference between an undergraduate and a graduate.
Would the graduates please come forward to be hooded?
Once a graduate has received their diploma and the graduation ceremony is coming to a conclusion, the graduates will be instructed to move their tassel from the right side of their hat to the left side of their hat. This actually signifies that they have graduated.